Welcome back, I'm Tracy and this is my first custom order vlog. I wanted to bring you guys along this custom order process. So I'm making a long bias gown. This is a custom order for Francesca. She's going to be a maid of honor. She sent me the sweetest message and said she would be honored to be wearing one of my designs. So I went ahead and started sketching. Today's September 8th and it's like around 4 p.m. I went ahead and picked up the fabric for the dress. This is the dress we came up with, so I'll insert a better photo here because I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up. So we went with like a long bias gown with a front cowl neck and a back cowl like the viral silk dresses. The closest like burnt orange color I found at the silk store was this one right here. I love the color so much. I just can't wait to start making this dress. First thing tomorrow, I'm planning to do the drape of the gown and hopefully finish patterning the whole thing. Friday, my plan is to just cut out the whole dress because I like to save like a whole day for cutting out fabric because it always takes so long, especially silk. And I take breaks on the weekend, so Saturday and Sunday I tend to not work. So I'm like giving myself Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday to like sew the whole dress just because silk takes a while to sew, and especially if I'm vlogging, it does take more time because I have to like position the camera and stuff to like get the sewing angles, and I like to do like really close filming for my TikTok videos. It was kind of a coincidence that she's like pretty much the same size as me and my form. I'm planning on maybe releasing the sewing pattern for this dress, so just let me know if you guys are interested. And I'm thinking of making a mini version of this because it's just really cute and adding it to like my made to order drop of silk dresses. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Good morning, guys. Before I actually make the dress in the final fabric, I need to drape it. So I already prepped my silk and ironed it and marked it, all that good stuff. And now it's just time to drape it before I go into the final fabric. I just completed the mock-up and now I just have to transfer everything to pattern paper. For the back of the dress, since I'm just doing the low cowl back and the corset lace up, I'm just taking the same exact pattern for that dress and I just extended it. the 13th and I finished cutting out all the pieces on Friday, so I kind of just took a break and enjoyed my weekend. Currently I'm just sewing the dress together, so this is what the front cowl looks like so far. Can't wait for it to be done and look like my drape, so let's get back to it. So yesterday I just finished sewing most of it, and then I took a break to just watch the Met Gala, and then I was busy emailing back and forth companies that are gonna help me out with my Halloween costume this year. I can't wait to share that with you guys. I'm planning to do a tutorial on it. You will find out what it is in my next video. Pretty much put together. All I have left is to attach the back panel. I already fused them, and then do the grommets and just the straps and the hem. The dress needs to be on the mannequin so it can grow, and then I can finish the final hem. So I just need to do that to the dress. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Morning, you guys. So it's 9 in the morning. I just got back from the gym and I ran a few errands. As you can tell, yesterday I pretty much finished sewing the dress. All that is left is the hemline, and I have to do the spaghetti for the lacing on the corset back. I'm just gonna have breakfast and shower because I am very sweaty, and then we can just get into finishing the dress.